TubeBuddy is another popular tool for YouTube creators that offers a suite of features to help optimize and grow a YouTube channel. Here are some steps and strategies you can employ with the help of TubeBuddy to increase your views on YouTube. Keyword Explorer. Use TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer to identify high-ranking keywords relevant to your content. Once identified, incorporate these keywords into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Video SEO. Optimize your video's title, description, and tags based on TubeBuddy's suggestions. This will help your videos rank better in search results and be suggested more often by YouTube. Best time to publish. TubeBuddy provides insights into when your subscribers are most active. By publishing at these optimal times, you can maximize your video's initial views. Competitor analysis. TubeBuddy allows you to track and analyze what your competitors are doing. Click Magnet. This feature provides data on which thumbnails and titles are working best for your channel. A compelling thumbnail and title can drastically increase your click-through rate. A/B testing. If you have the Legend license of TubeBuddy, you can perform A/B tests on your video thumbnails to determine which one results in more clicks. Promotion. Share your video across different platforms. TubeBuddy can generate shareable links for social media platforms. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments on your videos. TubeBuddy has canned responses to make this easier, but always ensure your responses are authentic and engaging. Playlist creation. Use TubeBuddy to create playlists around similar topics. Playlists can lead to increased watch time. End screen and cards. Add end screens and cards to promote other videos on your channel. TubeBuddy can help automate this process for you. Milestones. Celebrate and share your milestones, like subscriber counts or view counts. Affiliate marketing. If relevant, use TubeBuddy's affiliate link feature to share products and earn from qualifying purchases, giving you the resources to further invest in your channel. Regularly update older videos. Over time, trends and algorithms change. Monitor analytics. Use TubeBuddy's analytics tools in conjunction with YouTube Analytics to get a deeper understanding of your audience, what they like, and where there's room for improvement. Collaborate. While this isn't a direct feature of TubeBuddy, collaborating with others in your niche can expand your reach.